I am gonna call Zach, who is my local guy. He's probably getting sick of hearing from me, but Zach, you here?
I'm here.
Holy cow, that was amazing.
Good
Look
to see you,
at that.
buddy. So I did notice that you also use the Prebuck product, right? So what do you think about that integration into the backside of those dovetails, those keyways?
Well, I think the nice thing about this is the ease with which it makes the transition from stick framing to building with concrete and forms. I was very worried about that because, you know, windows, you can have a 1/4 inch here, a 1/2 inch there. Some are true size, some are 1/2 inch small, some are 1/2 inch big.
Sure.
With the Prebuck, you have a good secure attachment system on a product that is attached all the way around and linked into the concrete. I was really worried about how concrete would degrade the wood and stuff over time, but Prebuck, it's treated for that.
Yeah. So there's a zinc borate during the manufacturing process that's actually impregnated into it before they start smashing the laminated strand lumber together,
Yeah.
right? So it's going to eliminate your decay. It's going to eliminate your resistant to insects. It's also going to make that available to have that concrete actually touch it, right? Without having to have a primer or some kind of wrap behind it. And you know, I'm sure you've seen this. It doesn't hurt that it comes straight.
I mean, you order it in longer pieces where you cut it and fit. And so this Prebuck was all in place before, we poured anything. So
Right.
everything is cut in place. And when you pour it, it's straight, it's true. It's a good attachment point for all of my trim to nail to. If you have any questions about the efficiency of Nudura forms, contact a local rep in your area.